The General Chiwenga Voluntary Supporters Association (GCVSA) has issued a fair statement calling for the immediate suspension of Comrade John Baraza. Baraza, accused of advancing a soft agenda for constitutional amendments aimed at extending his faction's grip on power, faces accusation of betraying ZANU-PF principles and sowing seeds of disunity. Sabina mashoko atona kuti panguva ino zvinonzi aiwa General Chiwenga Voluntary Association demand suspension ya John Baraza subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tikina pana pamusi in the statement dated December 10, 2024, the GCVSA lauded the recent reshuffle of the Youth League National Executive Council, spearheaded by Secretary for Youth Affairs Tino Machakaire as a necessary step to restore discipline and align the party's youth structures with the revolutionary vision of Zimbabwe under General Constantine Chiwenga. Baraza, who is alleged to act as a poster boy for the 2030 agenda, was harshly criticized for his loyalty to what the association described as a voting agenda. The General Chiwenga Voluntary Supporters Association has announced a major rally to take place at Robert Mugabe Square on January 5, 2025 at 9 a.m. The event, led by dedicated Secretary for Commissariat Comrade Jeremiah Nyukayara Mboko, is being built as a unifying moment for all patriotic Zimbabweans who support the vision of General Constantine Chiwenga's leadership. Domashwa tukuni panguva inwe aiwa batoriera yamanje rava kubhuwa panapa in chaos and tension zvatukuona kuti John Baraza panguva inwe ari kupamwana tiona kuti maloyalist aPP Chiwenga they are accusing him nenhau yekuti aiwa panapa ava kuvhayoleta nhau yeloyalty panapa vachipusha for ED 2030 zvatikuona kuti iri kuenda against aiwa VP Chiwenga. Mashoko atikuona kuti panguva inwe John Baraza ari panguva yakaoma vaitaugwa nhau yefairing and reshuffle. Tudze mafunguro enyu kune section yedu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.